Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Turn on your laptop Bluetooth and make sure the Beats Fit Pro are charged and powered. Once done, put the earbuds into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button until the LED pulses. This tells the laptop to find them. Make sure to remove or forget old device entries so the laptop won't auto-connect to a different profile. This first step establishes a clean, discoverable connection and prevents common pairing conflicts. You now complete the middle steps. Open your laptop's Add Device or Bluetooth panel and wait for Beats Fit Pro to appear in the list. Click or tap that name to initiate pairing and accept any on-screen prompts. There's usually no PIN, so confirm the connection. If the earbuds don't show, toggle Bluetooth off and on, move closer, or plug in a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter. Older adapters may not support current profiles. These actions resolve discovery and compatibility problems. Finish by selecting Beats Fit Pro as your laptop's default audio output and testing playback and microphone functionality. Adjust volume and sound settings. Once connected, enable any OS-specific features like spatial audio or give mic permission so apps can use the headset. If pairing fails, perform a reset. Hold the power button plus volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes, then repeat pairing from the top. That reset clears stubborn pairing records and usually fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.